Discover how to generate passive income with AI puzzles. Are you ready to turn your puzzle-solving passion into a profitable venture? Well, today, we're diving into the world of word search puzzle books on Amazon, and we'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Creating and publishing a word search puzzle book might seem complex, but it's an opportunity to tap into a market that's generating substantial monthly revenue. Imagine your book making thousands of dollars in just a matter of weeks. It's not a pipe dream, it's a reality we're about to explore. Let's begin with the numbers. Some puzzle books, like the one we're discussing today, are raking in an estimated $3,500 per month after being on the market for just 3 weeks. Another was released only 2 weeks ago and is already making an estimated $1,600 per month. But what's truly mind-boggling is the book that was launched at the end of the last month. It's pulling in daily sales totaling an estimated revenue of $2,800. So in today's video, the Profitability Plus is here to guide you on how to outshine your competitors by kickstarting a similar business. But with a twist, we're going to do it 10 times faster thanks to the power of AI. From brainstorming product ideas to crafting a polished final product, we got your back. And if you stay tuned, we'll unveil a secret weapon that can catapult your revenue to new heights. Now, let's start our journey by selecting a theme for your word search puzzle book. This theme could revolve around anything that captures your imagination. Summer, travel, dogs, nature, and more. We have 2 proven methods to help you uncover the perfect niche. First, finding ideas. First up, we have a personal favorite, ChatGPT. Ask this AI marvel to compile a list of niches for word search books, and you'll receive a diverse range of options. From there, it's about narrowing down your choices. For instance, if you fancy the transport and vehicles niche, instruct the chatbot to provide topics within the category. You'll be pleasantly surprised with sub-niches like classic cars, motorcycles, air travel, and space travel. These are gold mines waiting to be explored. The second approach involves studying the best-selling products and new arrivals on Amazon. These books are already tried and tested, guaranteeing success. But remember, we're not copying, we're innovating. Let's say you're drawn to the dog niche. ChatGPT can generate a list of dog-related topics for you to explore. The goal here is to create something unique, inspired by what's working. Don't have the luxury of time for research? No problem. The Profitability Plus got you covered with a list of 50 winning niches for word search books. These have been handpicked and analyzed, saving you valuable time. You can find the link in the description. Number 2. Creating a book. We have personally chosen to create a word search puzzle book tailored for adults with a captivating travel theme. Adult-focused books are trending, and the travel theme is a proven winner. To kickstart your journey, study successful listings on Amazon to get an idea of the book size. This example reveals a size of 8.5 by 11 inches, a common choice. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of creating puzzles. These puzzles comprise 2 essential components, the words to find and the puzzle grid itself. Begin by using ChatGPT to generate a list of words related to your chosen topic. To engage your audience further, request the inclusion of interesting facts related to the topic. We're aiming for 20 words initially, as we'll be crafting 2 puzzles per topic, each with 10 words. Keep generating words until you've covered all your chosen topics. I recommend maintaining a Google Sheet to organize your topics and words efficiently. Once you have your word lists, it's time to design your book's interior on Canva. Start by determining the book's dimensions, as inspired by similar listings on Amazon. Next, upload your first puzzle and position it centrally. Add text with the search words, topic name, puzzle number, and even some illustrations to enhance engagement. Duplicate this template. Replace the image and text with the next puzzle, and repeat until all puzzles are in place. We're almost there. The final touch is creating solution pages. These pages will be placed at the end of your book, providing readers with the answers they seek. Simply add the solution image alongside the corresponding puzzle number. Organize these pages systematically for a seamless experience. Third, design book interior. Now that we've compiled our puzzles and solutions, it's time to design the book's interior. Utilize Canva to create a custom design in line with the dimensions you've identified from Amazon listings. Start with the first puzzle and build from there. Include search words, topic names, puzzle numbers, and any illustrations you desire. Fourth, solution pages. As mentioned earlier, solution pages are a crucial component. Add solution images alongside puzzle numbers for all your puzzles. This section should be placed at the end of your book, providing readers with the answers they're looking for. Fifth, publish on Amazon. You've put in the hard work, and now it's time to share your creation with the world. Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, is your gateway to publishing on Amazon. If you're unsure of the process, check out our dedicated video tutorial on our channel. It will guide you through every step, making the publishing process a breeze. Now, here's the golden opportunity to elevate your business to the next level. To truly stand out, consider translating your book into different languages. This strategy opens doors to untapped markets and reduces competition. For instance, a search for word search books yields over 20,000 results. However, a search for Spanish word search book narrows it down to just 1,000 results. That's the power of targeting new audiences. I found listings of translated word search books like Spanish and Italian versions, which are making over $1,000 per month. The process is straightforward. Segment your book into sections and utilize ChatGPT to translate them into your chosen language. You'll have your entire book translated within minutes. Then update your puzzles accordingly, save everything as PDF, print, and upload it to Amazon. With this strategy, you'll significantly increase your chances of attracting a global audience and boosting your sales. Thank you for joining us on this profitable puzzle journey. From the Profitability Plus team, we wish you good luck. Your dedication to learning and growing your business is truly commendable. We wish you the best of luck on your word search puzzle book venture. If you've made it this far in the video, we appreciate your support. Congratulations for taking your passion and turning it into a serious business endeavor.